All right, today is 1/19/23. We got the 1980 Honda C70 working, and here are a few things that we need to do. So there's the choke. So you notice the headlights aren't working, and it won't hold the idle. So we have to probably rebuild the carburetor. And then and it won't hold the idle. So anyways, the brake lights don't work. Signals don't flash. Headlights doesn't work. Neutral doesn't work. High beam works. Turn signal. How does a turn signal? Well, gotta get it working. Let's go to reserve. The reserve leaks. You can see the fuel coming out of the reserve right there, leaking. Let's go back to on. Let's pull the choke out again. Alright, let's go to signal. No signal. It lights enough, but it won't signal. The signal lights are working. That's good. Neutral light is dead. So how about high beam? High beam works. And the dies. Now we kind of somewhat charged the battery. The battery's dead too. Won't start. This is also very flimsy. Missing a bolt down here. Someone tried to take that bolt out. Missing a bolt right here. Got some rust here in the basket. The brakes squeak a lot. And how's everything else? Everything else is good. We might have to get new tires. It's been there for a long time probably. Muffler's in good shape. And that's how she flies. This has some rust here. And that works. And we have to get a second key. Alright. Looks like it's been dropped before. This is not straight. We have to bend that back. And that's that.